Wearing false lashes is not that hard as we think. Today, let's give it a try in my way. I'm taking Swiss Beauty Studio Effect Eyelashes Royal. That's my absolute favorite. When we face it to our direction, generally shorter side is for the inner corner and the longer side for the outer. If that's not the case, still the left side is for our left eye and right one for the right eye. Gently remove it from the case. In most cases, the inner extended part pokes the eyes and makes them uncomfortable to wear. First, just place it over your lashes to measure the length. We will cut the extra part. The extra part will weigh down the eyelid and eyes will look droopy. The ideal starting point is where the reddish corner ends. I don't need to cut much as its size quite matches my eyes. I'm cutting just the inner extended part. Then, after curling my lashes, I'm putting 1 coat of my Glam Twisted Mascara. 1 or 2 coat is enough. And then again curling the lashes after drying to pump it up. Making the falsies curve is necessary, then it will fit properly, and also to curl them with a lash curler. Then it will blend with the natural lashes seamlessly. For glue, a transparent glue with a brush applicator just like this PAC glue is beginner friendly as well as pro friendly. It looks white but it will turn transparent. The upper flat portion of the lash band is where we put our glue. And putting little more in the corners is very important. Let it dry for 10 to 20 seconds. Let it be little tacky. Then place them first in the center, then drag to adjust the outer corner, and lastly in the inner corner. I haven't used any eyeliner for a natural look. A tweezer or fingers can be used, and then pinching them with natural lashes. Place it as close possible to your own lashes. To hide any shiny part, take a matte black eyeshadow on a flat eyeshadow brush so that no shiny part is visible. And that's it. Do not forget to carry the glue in your purse to avoid sudden accidents. That's the tutorial. Hope you guys love it. Please subscribe, like and share, and suggest me more videos you guys want to watch. Thanks for watching.